Okay, maybe this video is better than the other one. Happy Memorial Day. Look at that. Now that's what you call a dingleberry. Gross. Now that's a big turd, Mary Kate, hanging out from your ass. That is gross. Ooh, it stinks too. I just tried to get it off of her and she clawed me, hissed at me. So come on, let's try to get it off a little bit more. Come here. With a stick. Come here. Quit hissing at me. I gotta get it off, MK. Okay? I gotta get your dingleberry off. You need to quit hissing at me. Come here, let me see. Let me see. There goes most of it. Ew, it stinks like all hell. Okay, you're nasty. Let me see your butt. Come here. Okay, it's gone.